Hello, I hope all of you are doing well. This is Saad Khan. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can multiply a number, like any number with a 10. Okay, so let's start. Let's take a number, let's say 53. First, we can take a decimal number. So let's say we have 5.87 times 10. Okay, whenever you multiply any number with the 10, what we have to do actually, you just need to move the decimal one number to the right side. Like see, now our decimal is between 5 and 8. So the method is that we just need to move the decimal one number to the right side, okay, when you will multiply it with a 10. So now it's gonna be here. So our answer will be 58.7. So this is how you can multiply any number with the 10. Okay, let's see some more examples as well. Let's say we have like 87.9 and you just want to multiply that number with a 10. So you have to use the same method, just move the decimal one number to the right side. So now our decimal will be here. So definitely, if there is no number after decimal, so we can simply write a whole number here, 879. So we don't need to put that decimal here. Simply put that number, 879, because there is no number after decimal. So we can simply write that number, 879. So this is how you can multiply any number with a 10. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.